All right, good morning, boys. What is up? Today is actually Wednesday, December 13th. Let me go over the trading day real quick. I only took one trade on my Lucid account. I didn't take anything else today just because I couldn't execute on time. Price ripped the second I entered, and I wasn't going to get a shit entry on my Tradify accounts. Made a little bit over $1,600 today trading, 400 per account. Now, I did take a win and a loss, so I'm going to go over that real quick. This is the win that I took. My entry was more like here. Got an open low in this trade. Pretty simple, clean trade. I'm going to go over why I was actually bullish on the trading day. Even though we dumped, right? We completely dumped, right? If you look at this, on the higher time frame, we are in the golden pocket or OTE of the range, which is 0.618 to 0.705. So in my eyes, we're in the OTE of the range, right? Optimal trade entry to go long. Now, we also have an SMT at this low, right? ES did take that low out. See over here, ES took that low out while Nasdaq failed to. On top of that, we are in a bearish 15-minute gap. Maybe price does want to push lower now, but from what I've been seeing, price has been chopping and consolidating all day. What I notice is we have an unfilled 5-minute gap above us. What does price do? SMTs at this low. I don't know if we get a double SMT. I only see the higher time frame SMT. Okay, so we do get a double SMT at this low, which I don't really care about. I don't trade that way. From there, what do we see? I see a 3-minute bullish gap. We trade into a 3-minute bullish gap, which is also a breaker block. Respect it to the tick and push to the upside. That is when I enter in long. Stops below this low, TP here. Now, the first trade was a very sloppy trade on my end. I'm actually pretty upset about that loss just because I don't know why I took that trade. I went long here at 926 with very tight stops, honestly, like that. And in hindsight, it just was not the best trade. It was very displacement oriented and it was not in a discount. It was more of a premium of the range. I would not take this trade again. I'm a little upset with the fact that I took it. I'm not going to lie. I was kind of chasing that 5-minute gap, and I was worried we were going to take a pre-market with the volatility we were seeing. However, market did open. We got a move lower, and then 931, we got a displacement to the upside. On top of that, we also got a tap into equilibrium. So we tapped equilibrium inside a 3-minute gap with an unfilled 5-minute gap pressing above us, got a displacement to the upside. Once again, this is not a mechanical trade. This is purely discretionary based off the fact that I think price is going to push higher today. I am not bearish, even though you look at this and you're like, oh, the hourly is dumping. Oh, the 15-minute is clearly bearish. I am bullish on the day, and that might bite me in the ass. We might dump later today, but I'm honestly bullish on the higher time frame as well because we have a daily order block, right? Daily order block, 4-hour gap, SMT at that low. I do want to see price push higher, and the nearest bearish PDRA was that unfilled 5-minute. We did tap into this 15-minute at market open. I see this unfilled 5-minute, and I'm looking for longs towards that, right? Pretty simple day. There was a lot of room for error today. A lot of people definitely blew their accounts in this bullshit price action. Why? We were SMTing at every high in the market. Take a look at here, right? We made SMTs here. We made SMTs here. Here, right? From 933, 937, and 941 all made higher highs on ES. 933, 937, 941 all made lower highs on NQ. What do I teach you guys? When price is making higher highs or higher lows on ES and lower highs and lower lows on Nasdaq, stay the fuck away from the market. It is safer to stay away and just be careful in these markets, right? And that is my take for you guys today. Honestly, there's not much for you guys to even trade today. There is nothing in these markets. Quite literally nothing to trade. Right? 15-minute gap. I'm trying to think of a reason for you guys to trade. I don't really like anything. I mean, at this point in time, price is dumping towards these lows. You could have cut a short. But like I said, I'm still bullish on the day. I do want to see price push higher, maybe in PM session. But yeah, my trade is pretty simple. First trade was a pretty small loss, so that unfilled 5 minute. Second trade was a pretty big win, which made up for that loss and some more, right? You see, this is all trading one contract. So I lost like 300 and then I made like 800 something. Or I lost like 400 and then made 800. That makes more sense. Yeah. So pretty simple day in my opinion, right? After I exited my trade, you can see price got very choppy. So honestly, thank God I was not in a position after that. But if you guys have any questions about the position I took, about the trade I took, my entries, my model, my systems, feel free to comment them. I don't sell anything. I have a free Discord in my bio. If you guys want to join that, I have a prop firm guide, how to use Tradeify, how to use Alpha Futures, how I use TopStep, all of these firms, right? So feel free to join up. I do have a full tutorial on all the rules, explaining them for you guys, making it easier for you guys. Hope you guys have a blessed day, and I will see you boys tomorrow. Peace out.